Welcome. Shall we deal with distance between 2 points? Find the distance between 2 points n 4,6 and n 8,n. Solution to that: supposing that the distance between this is n and the point is given by 4,6, and another point n is given by 8,9. We have to find the distance between this m and n. It's always given by distance equals to the square root of s2 minus s1 raised to power 2 plus y2 minus y1 raised to power 2. Now, we are going to substitute this value into this. So let's make our s1, y1 equals to the first one, which is 4,6. And the second one, s2, y2 equals to 8,9. So then, just substitute it into this formula, and that distance d will give us the square root of s2 is 8 minus s1 is 4 square using the formula plus y2 is 9 minus y1 is 6 square. So then we can have it to be equals to the square root of, solve the one in the bracket to give us 4 square plus solve the one in the bracket to give us 3 square. So then we have it to be square root of 16 plus 9, which will give us square root of 25. The square root of 25, d there is equals to 5. That's the solution to the problem. Thank you for watching.